Most producers lock OTT deals even before their films hit theaters. It's a safety net, guaranteed money no matter what the audience thinks. But Amir Khan just made a different choice. He reportedly turned down a 120 crore streaming offer and released Sitare Zameen Par only in theaters. No fallback, no digital release, just belief. Why would he take that kind of a risk? Let's break it down. To take such a risk, what did he actually give up? According to trade reports, Amir Khan was offered 120 crore for OTT rights, reportedly by Amazon Prime Video, but he turned it down to release Sitare Zameen Par exclusively in cinemas. Meanwhile, advance bookings numbers were around 3.3 crore before release, a fraction of the OTT deal. It wasn't a guaranteed blockbuster either. The film is a sports dramedy and an emotional story, not a commercial action film. Amir himself admitted to feeling the stress, emphasizing this wasn't a big ticket spectacle but a leap of faith. However, Amir Khan is making a big bet, and it's based on three things: the power of theaters. He believes emotional films like this should be experienced together, in a dark room on a big screen with people. Second, word of mouth growth. By delaying OTT, he's letting audience reactions build momentum, just like we saw in 12th Fail and Lapata Ladies. And third, long-term value. If the film connects, he may earn less upfront, but more in reputation, recall, and future trust, both with audiences and exhibitors. But what is at risk? There is no safety net. If audiences don't show up, the box office suffers, and there's no streaming money to cover the gap. It's not a massive film, it's not holiday season, this is a leap of faith. But what happens if it did pay off? Exhibitors like PVR INOX and Cinepolis have publicly backed Amir's move. The Multiplex Association of India even called it visionary and resolute. Niche, emotional content thrives on group viewing and organic buzz, and Sitare Zameen Par might be the perfect candidate for a slow build. If sustained box office numbers and critical acclaim follow, Amir doesn't just win the weekend, he wins in legacy value and in inspiring future theatrical films. Amir Khan didn't just walk away from that 120 crore, he made a choice to believe in theaters, in the power of shared stories, and in the slow burn of word of mouth. As of today, June 20th, the film is out in theaters. We will be seeing the box office numbers trickle in soon. Let's see what this bold move tells us about where cinema is headed. Will you be watching Sitare Zameen Par? And what do you think of Amir's decision? Gutsy or too risky? Let us know in the comment section. This is Leena signing off. Keep watching Famous TV for more such content.